I can't wait to try the AR story playback of The Dog and the Ox, Ending 2, titled Dog Dreams. Edited and translated by ILM. Voiced by Jenny Caneja. English.
Once a dog took a nap on a pile of straw in a box. But the straw in the box was not a bed. When the ox came home, he saw the straw in his food box. But he could not get to the straw because the dog was on the top of it. The ox chewed on the dog's tail. The dog got mad. "Why did you do that?"
I need to feed myself so I can have my energy back. I've carried sacks of wheat today.
"But why do you carry that much?" asked the curious dog.
It's what I do. It's my work. Or else I won't get fed.
Plainly said the ox.
But you, why do you do that?
"Do what?" said the pretentious dog.
You're sleeping on my straw.
Said the angry ox. "Hey, ox! I should be the mad one!" The dog barked back. "You wake me out of my beautiful dream!"
What did you dream about?
Asked the curious ox. "Why do you ask?"
I am curious, you see.
Admits the saddened ox.
I never had a dream before.
"That's too sad to hear!" The dog stayed to share its dream. It was a vast green land, filled with fresh grass and butterflies. There I ran and played with butterflies. The sun was setting. A really beautiful dream.
It was a beautiful dream.
The ox mooed.
It sounds really fun. I wish that could be real.
"Oh, ox dear!" The dog stood up and moved into the loft. "Just because it is a dream, it doesn't mean it's not real." The dog snuggled itself back to sleep.
Tagalog Translation.
Minsan, may isang aso ay umidlip sa taas ng isang tumpok na dayami na nasa isang kahon. Ngunit ang dayami sa kahon ay hindi isang kama. Nang umuwi ang baka, nakita niya ang dayami sa kanyang pagkain kahon. Ngunit hindi niya makuha ang dayami sapagkat ang aso ay nasa ibabaw nito. Nanguya ng baka ang buntot ng aso. Nagalit ang aso. "Bakit mo ginawa yon?"
Kailangan kong pakainin ang sarili ko upang mabalik ang aking lakas. Buong araw akong may dalang mga sako ng trigo.
"Ngunit, bakit ang dami mong dala?" Tanong ng mausisa na aso.
Ito ang ginagawa ko. Trabaho ko ito. Kung hindi, wala akong makukuhang pagkain.
Malinaw na sinabi ng baka.
Ngunit ikaw, bakit mo ginagawa yon?
"Ang alin?" Sinabi ng mapagpanggap na aso.
Natutulog ka sa dayami ko.
Sinabi ng galit na baka. "Hoy baka! Dapat ako ang galit!" Tumahol na naman ang aso. "Ginising mo ako sa isang magandang panaginip."
Ano ang iyong napanaginipan?
Takang tanong ng baka. "Bakit mo natanong?" Tanong ng aso pabalik sa baka.
Natanong ko lang.
Wika ng malungkot na baka.
Hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng panaginip.
Nakakapanlungkot malaman. Nanatili ang aso upang ibahagi ang panaginip nito. "Ito ay isang malawak na berdeng lupa na puno na may sariwang damo at paru-paro. Doon tumakbo ako at nakipaglaro sa mga paru-paro. Ang araw ay papalubog na. Isang magandang panaginip talaga."
Ito ay isang magandang panaginip.
Umungol ang baka.
Mukhang masaya yan. Sana maging totoo yun.
"Hay nako, kaibigang baka!" Tumayo ang aso at lumipat sa kanyang higaan. "Hindi lamang dahil isa itong panaginip, hindi nangangahulugang hindi ito totoo." Komportableng bumalik sa pagtulog ang aso.
Did you enjoy that, traveler? Watch and listen to our other stories or visit our webpage to know more about our application. Links are in the description. This is Adventures of Tammy Player Stories version 1.2.